You're not stuck with that nagging dry cough, you're just missing the secret detox that your throat needs. Basically, dry cough or allergic bronchitis occurs without mucus production, often leads to chest pain and makes every breath a chore. It's triggered from allergens in the environment like dust, and here's how to get relief. First, start with nasal cleansing, called Jal Niti in Ayurveda, using lukewarm water and a little bit of salt. Next up, inhale steam with a few drops of eucalyptus oil for a few minutes to open up the nasal passages. Then apply 2 drops of warm A2 ghee in each nostril to lubricate and calm irritation. Finally, practice controlled deep breathing to expand lung capacity and ease that cough reflex.